Hi, I'm James from TASKA Prosthetics. At TASKA, we're guided by our mission to redefine prosthetics and transform lives, delivering reliable products and power that performs. In this tech tip, I'm going to explain the features and benefits of the TASKA PowerCore, the perfect complement to the TASKA hand. So, what is PowerCore and why does it matter? PowerCore enables clinicians to craft elegantly finished sockets, all while delivering reliable power. It is a refined, waterproof and easy to use power system designed with the patient and the clinician in mind. Now, let's dive deeper into PowerCore and explore what sets it apart as the #1 power system available today. PowerCore is designed for a clean and seamless look. Its innovative installation method creates a recess in the laminate that allows the switch to sit flush with the socket surface for an elegant finish. At just 7mm thick, PowerCore is one of the slimmest power switches available, making installation easier, placement more flexible, and the socket design more discreet without compromising performance. For correct installation and best results, always refer to the PowerCore IFU on our website. With a waterproof exterior, PowerCore extends protection further, which gives users more confidence in wet environments. Users don't need to hold back. PowerCore is ready for rain, rinsing, and real life. Please refer to the IFU for correct installation and full waterproof protection, paying particular attention to the gluing and the sealing processes. Soft glow indicator lights on the PowerCore provide clear visual feedback on battery and power status, helping users and clinicians stay informed at a glance. Seamlessly designed to complement the TASKA hand, the PowerCore delivers a sleek, unified appearance prosthetists and users can be proud of. PowerCore uses a magnetic charging connector that guarantees easy and secure connection for a quick, secure alignment, making charging simple and intuitive, even for users with limited dexterity. PowerCore's recessed on and off button is thoughtfully designed to be easy to access while also minimizing accidental activation, offering users reliable control with every press. And finally, the battery capacity. With a standard 2000 mAh battery and the option to add a second for a total of 4000 mAh, the PowerCore delivers all-day power and flexibility for users with high energy needs. PowerCore flips the switch on traditional power systems, delivering power that performs. For more information on PowerCore and to download the PowerCore instructions for use, head to taskaprosthetics.com. Please contact your representative to find out more and how you can start fitting PowerCore and crafting elegantly finished sockets today. If you've got the best hand, why not fit it with the best power system?